That's what I should have done.
What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C-Will back at it with another slight video, man. Look, in this video, my guy Kevin's gonna be taking me on a ride, right? In a Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk, man. Yeah, just want to get his perspective, right? From a Jeep SRT owner, man, perspective, right? And just see, right? Like, if he noticed any big differences, man. Yeah, the horsepower, the sound, the whine, whatever the case may be, y'all, right? So, is this your first time driving a Trackhawk?
It is my first time.
Okay, cool. So that's gonna make this video a lot better, man. This is his first time driving a Trackhawk as well, y'all, right? So yeah, just gonna get my guy's perspectives, man, his real-time opinion, his real-time review, all right, y'all, in this car, man. So yeah, without further ado, let's get in, let's crank it up, man. I mean, I don't care, bro, if you want to just take it around the city. I don't care if you want to hit the Autobahn, just so you can get a good feel for it, right? The grounds is pretty like dry, you know what I mean? It hasn't rained or nothing like that, y'all. So it's not super cold today. It's cold, but it's not, you know what I mean? So this is what they call boost weather right here, y'all. So we'll see, man, we'll see, you know. So yeah, hey, we can get in here, brother, and just see what this thing talking about, man. Let's see what we got, bro. Let me put all this stuff in the back. I got my stuff. Let me put all this up.
Actually, have to see.
Yeah, you get on my side. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This thing is fast, bro. Like,
yeah,
this thing
sure
pick up and go, bro.
I like the steering wheel too.
Yeah? Nah, appreciate it, man.
My car.
Yeah, I know, bro. That's what I like the steering wheel matches my car. Bro, I wish that I was able to, like, you know what I mean, put this steering wheel in my other car, bro.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And y'all, like we're only in the city, y'all. This isn't no highway driving yet. This isn't nothing, y'all. This is just purely in the city. He's already like, oh yeah, I feel it.
Yeah. I feel it.
Well, you know,
yeah,
most cars definitely like depreciate in value, right? As soon as you drive it off the lot. Oh. This car right here is gonna hold its value, bro.
This exhaust is stock?
Bro, I think it is stock, bro. I promise you, bro. I definitely think the exhaust is stock.
Definitely louder.
Yeah, he said it's louder.
Yeah, it's definitely louder.
Yeah, I promise you, bro. I definitely think this exhaust is stock.
Because mine is quiet. It's absolutely, that's why I had to get some, because it has everything.
Jeez. Yeah?
He wants to, but he's got a lot of excuses. He's very, a lot of excuses.
Nah, I got you, bro.
So I don't think he will be.
This guy.
Yeah. That's
GLI Volkswagen. First little pull right there, you know. So what you think? I mean, you know, like your first pull. I mean, it was smooth. Was it bumpy or was it straight? Yes.
Yeah. You feel it go.
Yeah, bro.
I wasn't even on it all the way.
You're right. That was. I don't even know if that was half throttle. You was at. That wasn't even.
That was maybe a little. Yeah, a little over half.
Yeah.
That have to be.
Yeah, bro. This thing.
Just the whine. I love the whine. That's
facts, bro.
It's really smooth, yeah.
Yeah, it's smooth though.
Yeah, it's super smooth.
You want to just switch here?
Yeah.
Or, shit, yeah. There's nobody behind us.
Yeah,
That's fine. Switch here, bro. Yeah, we should be good.
We have to go under that bridge and then take that left.
Probably, bro. I got you. Let me see. Yeah, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. Like if I'm driving somebody else's car, even if they like tell me, hey, no, hit it, like you good. It's still like in my conscience. I don't want to do it because I'm like, what if something go wrong? Or what if this? What if I do this and they don't like this? You know? But yeah, no, I got you, bro. It's all good, man.
You know how it is when you get in like a faster car and you kind of you don't want to like just pretty much overdo it.
Yeah, I got you, bro. But I ain't gonna lie, Kevin. I might overdo it though.
Overdo it?
He said you can overdo it. I don't get to really push on the Autobahn often, man. So you see.
Give you a little, That's beautiful.
Yeah. That's what I was waiting for you to do, bro. But you like, I don't want to do it. I said, bro, just hit it, bro. Even if it's one time, you should at least hit it once, bro. That's it. He said, hey, bro. I mean, we can always pull over, brother, and you can get that full experience. You know what I'm saying? It's up to you. I'm not forcing you. Yeah, I don't want to force you to do something you don't feel comfortable.
Summer tires got me a little.
Yeah, I got you, man. You know. But I mean, as you see, it hooks though. You know, so it's not like Nah, if it was ball tires, I'd be like, okay, you know. Yeah, bro.
It's fun.
It's definitely fun, bro. You know. I'm gonna get out the way. What's this? The F? What is this? Definitely want you to like, you know what I mean? Floor, I got you though, bro. Yeah.
I got you. But you had a Hellcat before, Trackhawk before, right?
Oh yeah, man. I actually won a Trackhawk.
Okay.
From a guy named CJ on 32s, man. I had won it from him. So it was. I pretty much entered like his like raffle and stuff, bro. And then he ended up pulling my name out of this automatic random puller or whatever. And then flew out to get it, got it, bro. It had like I think almost 50,000 miles on it, man. So yeah, I was like, I mean, I had kept it for like probably about 2 months, man. Made my videos on it, bro. Got all my content from it. And then sold it. You know, made a decent profit before I came here. And then
and that set you up.
And then so it was just an extra car, and then I'd probably have to pay like $2,000 to $3,000 just to ship that car here. So I was like, okay, do I pay the extra $2,000 to $3,000 and wait 60 to 90 days to get that car here, or do I just sell it for $60,000 and then just profit all the money? So I picked just sell it, whatever, bro. Just sell it, you know, cool. So that's what I did, and then and ended up getting this one. Thing it had like 6,500 miles on it, man. 2021, brand new.
Yeah, I just saw that. That's
it's
That's crazy.
So man, not bad at all, brother. You know, definitely blessed, man. You know?
For sure.
I'm a lucky guy, bro. Just shit. I it's like I wasn't even supposed to get this Trackhawk, bro. It just fell into my lap, man. One of my other homeboys had told me about this car. It was in Longstool or Ramstein. I don't know if you're familiar with that area. It was in Longstool, this car.
Yep.
So yeah, like he was like, hey man, you know, like I mean, since you already in the area, you might as well just go and look at it.
Yeah.
I'm like, shit, you're right, bro. Content is content. And then so yeah, I ended up going take a look at it. That was all it took, bro. All it took was just me going look at it. The dude had started it up for me. I was like, oh man, I gotta come back and get and then I ended up getting finance for it. You know, talk numbers with the dealership, bro, and the numbers made sense. You know, so other than that, man, that's how it happened, bro. Like I didn't test drive it or nothing, bro. Like I mean, I just knew that this was the car I wanted.
Yeah.
Sometimes, bro, like you just know, you know what I mean? Like you go online for the car, you go shop, you go look at all the pictures, look at the surface history and all that. You do all your research before. So once you get to the dealership, it's already set in the man's mind. Hey, like okay, I'm getting this. Like I'm not leaving the dealership without it. I don't care if it take an hour, 2 hours. It is, you know, and that's how it happened for me, bro.
That's exactly how it happened.
That's how that shit goes, man. That's how it goes, man. So, yeah, crazy story.
Happened with mine too. When I was gonna buy another one first up in Berlin.
Okay.
He had the all black and everything.
Okay.
The price was all right.
Yep.
He had it ready for me and everything. I said I was coming up there. And then all of a sudden I checked one more time because I knew about those peanut butter seats. So I checked one more time our site, and it was there. And then I was like, I have to get that one. So I literally told that guy I'm not taking that one.
Damn. So it was in between the one you have now or the other one?
Yeah, it was literally black on black.
Okay, yeah.
And it was a little price difference.
Okay.
The mileage was a little bit lower mine.
Yeah.
So
okay, for sure, bro.
I went over there, I saw it, I took it for a test drive, and I was like, I'm taking that.
For sure, bro.
Kilometers was fine. That's a big thing.
That's how it works. Yeah, bro. Mileage, bro. Yeah. That's what I really cared about, man. On these cars, bro, like they'll still be at like, I don't know, like 100,000 kilometers in the States. They'll still sell for 60,000-70,000.
Exactly.
I'm like, how the fuck? Nah, ain't no way.
And then when you look online and you're like, I want a Trackhawk.
Yeah.
One's for 60K. Oh, that's perfect. Right. And you see the miles and it's like 100K, and I'm like,
with like 5 owners, 6 owners. I'm like,
and you know exactly they did not.
Exactly.
They did not go slow on it. Or whatever's done to it. Or
they freaking beat it up. They done, you know, did all kind of shit to it. You just never know how previous owners took care of the car, bro.
And that's red flag.
You know, and I definitely feel like people overlook maintenance, bro. People want to go fast. They want to look good, but they don't want to like keep that longevity of the car, bro. They overlook all of that stuff, man. Yeah, bro.
It's pricey. I mean,
it is, bro.
Rotors, they'll rather sell it than do an oil change or whatever. That's how it is.
All that shit costs money, man. Back whenever I actually had my Hellcat, man, I mean, bro, I done seen a lot of Hellcats, bro. You know what I mean? I didn't see a lot whenever I first got here, but I don't know, like probably like month 6, month 8 of me being here. I'm like, damn, okay, that's a blue Hellcat. Damn, that's an orange Hellcat. Damn, that's a black one. I'm like, okay, like they just started showing up, so I'm like, okay, you know, I thought my Hellcat at the time was rare out here, and then I was like, oh, nah, they got Hellcats out here for sure, you know. But the Trackhawks, I think that's more rare. 100%. You know. So, okay, cool.
I feel like the Hellcat is like the first one you get into. And then you switch over.
Then you transition.
Because
Facts.
I would have.
Go ahead.
I would have assumed like in Vilsack there's like a lot of Hellcats and Trackhawks.
Yeah, only because it's a lot of Americans, right? So we pretty much import these cars over, and you know, these cars are obviously more common in the States versus, you know, because I mean here, bro. I mean, man, there's nothing but M3s, M4s.
I was about to say
BMW this, Audi this. You know what I mean? So that's more common here. And I actually thought about getting a M3, M4, and all that, bro. But I was like, I mean, people aren't gonna give me like the same reaction if I pull up with the M3 versus if I pull up in something like this or something like a Hellcat or something. You know, I get way more eyes, I'm not saying I want to get more eyes. It's just that like just having something that people don't really see.
Exactly.
It just feels better versus having something that you know. I mean, I don't want to pull up to a car meet and it's 50 BMW M3s, 40 M4s, and then and then like I'll just blend into the crowd. Nah, I don't want.
No, you don't want that.
That's the only reason why I didn't trade in my Hellcat for an M3, bro. It just didn't make sense for me.
And the sound is just
bro. It's
heard them. They don't sound really that good.
Yeah, bro. I mean, you got to do a lot. You got to do downpipe. You got to do tune. You got to do a whole new exhaust system just for those to sound like pretty decent. Exactly. You know, you got to put a lot of money into them, bro. Yeah. So yeah, bro. Fuck that.
I think you made a good choice.
Oh yeah, for sure, bro. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, definitely needed that, man. All right, CEEFAM. So that'll conclude today's video, man. You know, definitely wanted to get my guy Kevin's perspectives, right? His thoughts, just from a Jeep SRT owner, man, right? Somebody who pretty much we have the same car, but just different horsepower, right, y'all? So yeah, I was trying to get him to, like, you know what I mean? I don't want to say hit it, but you know what I mean, put his foot on the gas and just really get a good feel for it. But yeah, he was like, yeah, bro, like I don't feel comfortable in somebody else's whip, and you know what I mean, like I just don't want to, which, hey, I definitely understand, y'all, right? Like for sure, like I definitely know that feeling of not being in your own car, and then, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I definitely get it, bro. I definitely get it, man. But yeah, hold on, y'all. Your boy doing something right now, man. I'm doing something. But yeah, I definitely get it, bro. Right? Like, and I'd be the exact same way, for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna just save the spot, y'all. This right here was a good spot, man. He really brought me to a good spot, bro, for the video, for everything. So shout out to my guy Kevin, man. I'm gonna definitely put his Instagram up, man. Go follow him. He got a nice, beautiful ass Jeep SRT, as y'all seen, right, bro? So yeah, man, wasn't bad at all. Hopefully he had got a good like grasp of, you know, the Trackhawk, man. And yeah, that's all I really wanted, you know, just to see his experience and all that in the car, man. Because shit, back whenever I was coming up, and I know I'm probably like dating myself, back whenever I was coming up, man, I didn't have nobody to just take me in a ride, you know, Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk, bro. I didn't have that, bro. So, you know, like it was cool though. It was cool for sure. Once I got in this bitch, CEEFAM, I definitely was trying to, like, you know, turn him up a little bit. I wanted him to like see, you know what I mean, the full experience, right? So I'm just glad that, you know, the video turned out good, man. And yeah, just go from there, y'all. So hey, your boy about to drive home. Got about a 20-minute drive, man. So hey, I'll holler at y'all boys on the next one, man. Y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. I'm C-Will, and y'all CEEFAM, and I'll holler at y'all boys on the next one, baby.